G'day team, today's video is on Canva and how we can use AI to create engaging presentations in a matter of minutes. So if you're going to the top right hand corner, you can go create a design, and today we're going to create a doc. Now when the doc opens, on the left hand side there'll be a little plus button. If you click the plus button, up the top you'll have the option of using Magic Write. Now Magic Write is the AI technology within Canva. So within Magic Write, I've decided I want to write a report on sustainability, reduce, reuse, and recycle. If you click generate, it will generate a report that you will be able to use within seconds. Now, normally, obviously, you'd check through it just to make sure it was all appropriate and all okay. But I won't do that, obviously, for time's sake. You can also use the convert button up here. And what it does is it will convert that document into a presentation. So it allows you to choose a design. Once you've chosen a design, you can click create my presentation. And essentially what it does is it copies everything from the documents and puts it into a design that looks half decent. What I prefer to do when I'm making a design or a presentation, is if I'm back in the home page here, instead of choosing creating a doc, I'm going to create a presentation. Within the presentation section here, there's another AI tool called Magic Design. And in Magic Design, once again, if I just type in sustainability, reduce, reuse, recycle, and press enter, it will use artificial intelligence technology to create a presentation with appropriate images and information for me. So I like this one. Let's scroll through it. It looks pretty good. Yeah, let's use this particular presentation, and I'm going to create that presentation. So here's a presentation that's already been created with appropriate pictures. You can look through the information, obviously change it as need be. Ready for class. If there was another picture that you wanted to include, there is another way that you can do that. If you go to the apps section and you type in text to image, there is a text to image artificial intelligence app in here that allows you to create any image you want. So I want to create an image of an 8-year-old recycling. And if I scroll down, I want to make it that my image is a watercolor image, and I want it landscape so it fits my presentation. Okay, so create your image. It'll take about 10 seconds, and it'll give you a couple of different options that you can choose from, and then you can insert it directly into Canva. So this one looks okay. And obviously you can recreate the images if you're not happy with them. That looks pretty good. Okay, team, if you've got any questions, just yell out.